Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the app TouchChat, and basically it exceeded expectations in everything. It only missed a couple of boxes. So let's start with how customizable it is. So it met every single expectation for exceeds expectation under customability. So the vocabulary that you choose can be easily edited, updated, changed, moved around into different boards and stuff like that. So choosing the vocabulary is super easy, making the boards is super easy. TouchChat has about 40 different voices that you can choose from, also in multiple languages. So each language has like its own voice set. So the person can, or the user can choose whichever voice feels like fits them best. And then also if they just don't like any of the voices, you can voice record so that it's a familiar voice, so that it's someone that they really like and is motivating for them. So they also have that choice. You can of course change the color of the buttons, you can change the font, you can use different pictures, whether it's illustrations, you can use real life pictures, or if the person doesn't even need pictures, then you don't have to have them on there. That is an option as well. And also I was really excited about this feature, that this app does collect data on language usage, which my last app did not do. So that's pretty cool, because then it makes kind of like predictable text type of thing, where it makes it a lot easier for the user to find the words that they are looking for. Alright, so on to motor skills. So this one's pretty easy. TouchChat is just tapping like a lot of them are, so there's pretty minimal effort required. The only thing that would require a little bit more effort is their like big unique feature where, like, if you have it on your phone and you're using it like this, if you flip it like that, then it'll enlarge, and so that you can do silent communication maybe in like a loud room, but flipping your phone or device may be a little bit difficult depending on your motor ability. It does prevent accidental selections in multiple ways. So not only does it have select on release, it has two other options. One of them, it'll kind of like highlight the button that you chose, just to make, for like a couple seconds, just to make sure that's the one that the person wants to choose, and then when they release, then that'll be the button that is used. And then they also have another one just called release, where you can set like a timer on it, and during that timer, so like you pick the button, and then during that timer, the other buttons freeze, just to make sure that no like duplicate selection was done. Pictures can be saved in multiple format sizes. You can make like your boards bigger and smaller on it. The audio is pretty easy to hear. Touchscreen sensitivity can always be adjusted. That just really, not really depends on the app, but depends on the device that you're using it with. But all the devices that are compatible with TouchChat, you can easily modify the touchscreen sensitivity. And then vocabulary is well organized. It's categorical, and you can like change it and move different buttons into different places. The only thing that this one lacked for exceeds expectations and motor skills was limiting the number of open screens. TouchChat did not do that. I couldn't find any information on it being able to do that. For minimizing extraneous resources and time, it met all the check boxes. So it's pretty easy to teach a kid or a user how to use it. It's just tapping and kind of navigating through, and the navigation through different boards is pretty simple. Students can use the app independently almost immediately. If you checked out the videos underneath my written review, you can see that there's like a 3 or 4-year-old using it like independently and pretty easily. Benefits of using the app appear almost immediately, because they're immediately communicating something. They're immediately saying like, I want this, or my name is this, so that everybody understands what they're saying immediately. And then the app is generalizable across multiple situations. You can always add boards, change boards, add vocabulary. It's portable, so you can take it anywhere with you. So you can use it in basically any setting. For research basis, research has been done on TouchChat. It just isn't on their website. But they do say that it is a research-based app and that it has research basis behind it. And just a simple article search, you can find a couple of articles on it. I included one in my written review. But like I said, there aren't evidence-based sources like provided on the website. In terms of cost effectiveness, I really liked that TouchChat has 3 different varieties that you can buy. So one of them is as cheap as $9.99, so $10. It doesn't have all of the features that I've talked about here, but it does have enough features to make it effective and to make a difference in somebody's life. The other 2 are a lot more expensive. One of them is $150, and then the ultimate big package is like $300. For the features that they have, it's pretty cost effective. I would expect it to cost about that much. While this isn't affordable for everybody, hopefully as AAC devices and apps become more norm, the prices go down. And then they did say that you can get free trials, but only through certain partners. So I guess when they run promotions with certain partners, then you can find a free trial or something, but they aren't always available. So overall, I really like TouchChat. I didn't know anything about it before, but I think that it's pretty effective, and it would be great for anybody to use.